Hello everybody, it's a grotty weather out here at the moment, so I hope you're all dry, safe, not in that storm up in Scotland. I'm going to do a super easy recipe today. It's only got about 5 ingredients at the most. It's another soup, but I'm doing this basically, there's been a lot of people telling me how expensive things are, so I went to Aldi. That's somewhere I haven't been for, God, years. And little, my daughter and I, we went to both. And actually I got some really good buys. So I thought I wanted to share what I got with you. Very cheap, it's seasonal at the moment. Leek and potatoes, very old fashioned. It's a Delia Smith recipe I'm using from years ago. I used to cook loads of it, haven't for ages, and I thought this would be lovely for this time of year. So it's a leek and potato soup, one pot. The one thing you will need is either a masher or some form of blender, because these soups do need blending down. Although I do know people who have leek and potato soups with the potatoes in lumps and the leeks, but I like them blended. So I've got a new toy as well, guys. My old blending stick had it really, it's donkey's years old. So that's my KitchenAid one. I'm dying to try it out. That's just another reason why we're having soup. Okay, leeks from Aldi. I got 3 big leeks for £1.15. Can't complain at that, can you? 2 ounces of butter going into my big soup pan. It's a bit hot, as you can see. Just watch that doesn't burn. This is what I'm going to sweat the leeks in with. Okay, get that going round, lovely. Tipping all those leeks in there. This is actually, as you can guess, guys, it's a pasta pan. Well, John and I actually don't do such a big amount of pasta, so it tends to be used for soups. I want you to coat all your leeks, give them a good wash, by the way, and if you buy them off a farmer's market, give your leeks an even better wash, because quite often they're quite gritty. These weren't too bad, but they have been washed twice. Chopped up like that. Turn that heat up a little bit. Into that, 2 medium-sized potatoes. Doesn't matter, they're all going to be whizzed up, so the chunk size doesn't matter. These are all going to be just sweated for a little while, and I've lost my onion. Actually, I had half an onion because there's half an onion in there as well. That was on the top and I forgot I'd put it in there, so I thought I'd lost it. I hadn't. So we've got the potatoes, leeks and the onion in there. Okay, as I say, stir it around, make sure that butter's covering them all, and what you're going to do now is sweat that off. So we're going to get the pan lid, turn it low. Do keep an eye on it, guys, but that idea is that's going to sweat and develop all the flavour from the leeks and the onion and the potato. And then about 10 to 15 minutes, I'll keep checking on it. Then we come back, we add the liquid. We've got 1 pint of chicken stock cube. 15 minutes in, you can see that some of these leeks are really cooking down, going almost creamy. Smell divine. Some of the potato, I've just looked in here after 15. Do keep checking, because if you've got a pan where it might catch, and this does a little, that's what happens. So some of the potatoes just caught a fraction, it won't matter at all. What we're doing now is adding the stock. So we've got, this is a no chicken stock pot. It's like a concentrated stock pot. I absolutely love these. So I've got one of these and there's half a pint of liquid in that. That's going in. And this is a no stock cube. Just make sure it's all stirring up. That's a pint of that. That's going in. Not going to salt or season anything till this soup is nearly finished, because of the 2 stock pots going in there. I don't want there to be I don't want it to be salty, not too salty. It needs to be seasoned, but not too salty. Okay, and half a pint of milk. When this is finished, you can then, if you wish, some people like to add a little cream. I kind of wait till it's finished, salt and pepper it up, and decide what I'm going to do then. Normally I don't add cream to it, I like it just the way it comes, but we'll wait and see. Okay, so that's now going on for another 25-30 minutes till everything, I feel, the potatoes cooked, and then it's ready just for blitzing. How easy is that? And it's delicious and very cheap. 2 potatoes cost me 40p. The onion was about 15 to 16p. And as I said, the 3 leeks from Aldi, all the veg came from Aldi, was £1.15. So other than that, your dearest item is probably your stock cubes and your stock pots, and a bit of milk. So other than that, this will make a cheap lunchtime or supper snack. Okay, see you shortly. See you in 25 to 30 minutes. Right guys, this has only had 20 minutes and the potatoes are soft, so technically it's done. They were quite small chunks of potato anyway. Looking in there, you've just seen in there, you can tell it's done. And basically I can see how some people have said to me they don't bother blitzing it. You could eat it like that, but I prefer blitzing it. So that's what we're going to do now. Let's have a look. So here presto with a new toy. Okay, now I need to get a spoon out just to taste it. Right, that's it blitzed, guys. Blitzed very, very easily. And if any of you wondered what was on the end of the blitzing stick, it's a plastic pan cover. It covers the end so you don't scratch the base of your pan. It's fine in some pans, but this type of pan, it would have scratched it, so it's worked brilliantly. Okay, I'm just going to try this. Right, it's lovely. Right, seasoning. I will season it, not a lot. I think it's always nice as well if you don't season it too much. People then can, if they want more seasoning, they can put it in. And that is absolutely delicious. It's a lovely, thick winter soup. It's beautiful. I hope you can see that. It's so, so tasty. It's amazing that those just leek, potato and onion can be so tasty. And of course the chicken stock. Fabulous. Okay. Just before I go, by the way, I'm enjoying this. I've just been told off for eating too much of it. Anyway, I just want to have a shout out to Johnny. Hashtag, or his name is Wheelchair Man. Paige and I send our love. We're thinking of you. Hope you're okay. Hope you're going to enjoy this video and the next couple I think you might enjoy as well that are coming along shortly. But want to thank you all, and also thank just saying hi to Karen. She's recovering, been in hospital a little while, and she's recovering slowly at home. Thinking of you, my love, and I love our little chats together when she sends me messages, etc. But all of you, stay safe, keep warm, enjoy yourselves, and keep watching. Thanks for watching now. Bye.